Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to look into some of the best tips and tricks you can use while trading on Expert Option in 2023. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The first trick is to use the demo account as much as possible. Demo account is the ultimate tools to learn trading in Expert Option. Using the demo account, traders can experiment with different tactics and strategies to practice them and find the best suitable trading strategy to themselves. Good strategies can bring you good rewards from time to time, but finding the best strategy can bring you constant wins with constant profits. The Expert Option demo account will give you $10,000 to practice and trade with experiment. Most people think the market in demo account and the market in real account is two different markets, but the truth is both of those markets are the same. The reason most people get profits in demo and lose in real account is the impatience, or the fear to trade with real money. When trading on demo account, people is not intimidated or panicked because that's not their real money. But while trading on real account, most traders are panicked and rush to trade. This is why most people end up losing the thinking demo account and real accounts market is two different things. The first thing to do to avoid losing in real account is be extra careful with your trade. You must not rush into trade and place the trade at the most perfect time. You can do this by using few indicators to confirm the best time to place your trade. The second tips are to analyze the market a lot. Binary trading is all about analyzing the market thoroughly. A strategy made upon analyzing the market has nearly 0% chance to lose. But instead of depending on other people's analytics, you have to use your own analytical data along with good tested strategies to get good results. If you're new to Expert Option, as I said earlier, you can practice and experiment with strategies using the demo account. And if you don't know how to analyze the market, you can always use indicators to make it easier. My recommendation for indicators is Alligator Indicator and Awesome Oscillator Indicator. These are the best indicators to use if you're a beginner to Expert Option, in my opinion. If you want to find more about these indicators, you can watch my other videos. After analyzing the market thoroughly, you can move on to using your strategy, but make sure this strategy is also tried and tested. The reason I told you earlier to find out best strategy for you is because it would be easier for you to use your own analyzed data with those strategy. If you don't have any kind of knowledge about market analyzation, there are AI robots to do that. These robots will analyze the whole market and tell you the right time and right amount to trade. But keep in mind, these bots don't have a 100% winning rate. You could also lose all your money using a robot. Another thing is most of these bots is paid applications. You either have to buy the application or you'll have a sign-in for a subscription plan. But there are some free bots. Most of those bots either gives wrong signals or has less functionalities. Third tips are to use longer expiry time while trading. In Expert Options asset menu, we can select any time duration. Depending on the market, these durations may vary. By selecting a longer duration for trade to close, we can have more time to analyze the market. And also, we can look at the market's past few minutes back and easily predict where will the market's trend head next. If you're a new trader, keep in mind not to select lower expiry dates. In a 1-minute trade, it's very difficult to predict the market's future. Markets can quickly change its direction, making a shape called a spike. These spikes happen all over the market. To avoid losing your money to a spike, make sure to trade on longer durations. And also, there are ways to use these spikes as advantages to gain more profit. I've explained that in a previous video. Make sure to go and watch it to get in-depth details about these spikes in the market and how can we use it. If you ever want to trade on short times, you must have a good experience on trading. If you're willing to risk your money in change of quick rewards, make sure to do it correct. Never place trades if you're panicked or not sure of the trade. Fourth tip is to make a trading plan. A trading plan is a walkthrough of the trading session we're planning to take. By making a trading plan, we can easily focus on each goal for specific trading sessions. A trading plan must include stuff like, what assets are we trading on this day? What are the goals for this day? How much money you're going to spend on this day? These few points are very important to know before you enter a trading session. Before we make a trading plan, we'll have to analyze all the markets available at the time to make sure what are the best markets to trade on. After choosing what are the best markets to trade, we can move to trading goals. Having a goal for each day or a trading session is very important. Tons of new traders start trading without any kind of trading goal and trade until their accounts are empty. By having a trading goal, if you reach that goal within the day or the session, you must stop trading for that day. By not overtrading and building up your Expert Options Real account, over time you'll have more money. This means you can place even larger trades to gain more profit over a single trade. Make sure to keep your trading goal 5 times to 10 times what you're put on a single trade. This means if you're placing $10 trades, set your trading goals between $50 to $100. By placing higher goals, you'll have difficult time achieving them and end up losing your money. The next thing on the trading plan must be the amount you're going to trade that day. Try to keep this amount below 20% of what you have on your account. If you have $100 on your Expert Option account, use below $20 on every trading session. This will reduce the risk of losing your money faster and you'll be able to trade longer. This gives you the chance to learn more about the market and get better in trading. Make sure not to exceed the budget. Whether you gain a profit from that money or you lose your money, stop trading after hitting the budget. If you lost all the trades, make sure to analyze more next time before trading. Fifth tips is to always use given tools. Most beginner traders won't use any kind of margins or indicators when they first start trading. This is a big mistake lots of the traders make. Using tools, we can get a better understanding of the market and predict the future of the market much more easily. You can use indicators such as Bollinger Bands, Alligator to read the market's trend much more easily. And also, we can use margins to find at what point will market have the most probability to change its direction. You can do this by adding 2 lines to the market and place those 2 lines in the peak of the uptrend of the market and in the peak of the downtrend of the market. Whenever the market line gets close to one of those 2 lines, we can predict that market will have more probability of changing its directions. Another very useful tools are the trend tool. If you're new to Expert Option and having a hard time understanding a pattern or trend of the market, this tool will be very useful. The trend tools show each and every market's trends at the current time. You can change the duration of the market to see what trend the market took within the given time frame. But make sure not to only rely on this tool. This tool can be wrong from time to time. As I always say, make sure to do your own research before trading. So, make sure to always use all the tools given by the Expert Option to get the best result out of your trades. Those are the tips I brought you today. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.